little walk around DGR and see what we got here. Should park right here. No reason to park all the way back there. We got some Vespas. We got some cool bikes. Got some Kawis. Got all sorts of things. Wait. Is there Popo like checking people's bikes or something? What the hell? Bizarre. I don't like that. I don't like that. Mad bikes. It's a little bit more packed than last time, or less packed actually. A little less packed. GT 1000. Little Diavel. Doggy doggy. I'm not exactly sure why the Popo is over here. What are they fucking writing, these cops? No idea. Sneeze. Oh wow. A GS with a sidecar. That's kind of sick. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. See if I recognize anyone. What's happening here? Folks are pulling up. What is that? CF Moto. Interesting. Oop. That's my guy. They're still not here. They're still not here. Strange. Strange. Cute little duck.
What the fuck?
I dig it. So that's that. That's the bikes. What is this? Some Harley folks? Yep. Some Harley Central. DGR 2025. We're about to start here any second. Just waiting for some of these folks to get by. Waiting for my friends to show up. Where's everybody? I kind of want to start with my bros. They should be here soon now. Any second now. Nice. Almost there. Almost there. Nice. Where's my bros? Did I already miss them? Maybe they already pulled out and I missed them. It is possible. It's quite possible. It's quite possible. They already pulled out. Maybe not. That's cute. I don't think I missed them, but maybe I did. That said, they think they're coming. They gotta be coming. Yeah, last time I started out in the front. I think that's why I was just cruising.